Hi, we're here at SuperReturn Global Infrastructure in London, and here are our top tips for raising capital. Only 5% of family offices will do over a $5 million check, and it may not be in what you're fundraising for. So before you go to sleep and think, I'm going to meet a family and they're going to write me a $50 million check, that is not going to happen. You have to understand that family offices are not banks. If you're going to work with family offices, while they do have a long horizon and they will stick with you through a volatile period more so than institutional money, they will need returns on funds.
One of the ways that you can raise capital, if you have a good idea and you do a rent-to-own model, that's a very good model to own it, right? If you see somebody that has a need and you have a solution and you connect these dots together. I think today in the market there's tons of money. There's not a challenge to get money. So if you have a good idea and you can produce more than 10% of return a year, everybody will invest in you. If you want to get money from companies. The big companies have investment funds themselves, but they want to consume the energy source themselves.
I have a great track record already investing in public-private partnerships that have been successful. I think that's very attractive for raising additional capital. We've got at least at a minimum 6 more years of hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars of investment.
Just think about what differentiates you from the other GPs and really have 3 or 4 distinct selling points why people should invest with you, and they won't see this in other GPs. I would just say, just prioritize with that, lead with that.
Benchmarking is important. You want to make sure that you're raising, and deploying in the right space. GPs have a responsibility towards the LPs that are investing in them. Channel the funds that are being raised to a place which is more, where there's more clarity, there's more benchmarking, there's more accepted standards.